Hi, I'm Aaron, the owner of Brisbane Yamaha. And you know, we buy a lot of boats. And when you buy it, and then you come to us or you're going to buy a boat off somewhere, how do you know what it's like? Well, I'll tell you what we do. Now, here's a used boat. Now we look at it. Now it looks perfect, doesn't it? It's really been looked after. All the floors, the side, there's hardly any scratches. But we're going to talk about the Yamaha because on the surface, this boat here looks like it hasn't done any work. And really it hasn't. The motor is just like new, but it's done 265 hours, which is nothing for a Yamaha. But what do we do? And this is the difference in why you'd buy from me and not someone on some website. Because with a Yamaha, we do a diagnostic check and we get a printout. Now, what we can see on this printout, and I'll start on the back, right? We do this on all of our Yamahas. That's why we pay more for a Yamaha and why you should pay more and why you should look for one. So we can come down. We can see it's got 265 hours, but we can see 96 of those hours was below 1,000 revs. 49 hours was 1,000 to 2,000. It's actually never been over 6. We can see that 86 hours has been between 4 and 5. So this motor's been treated very nicely. We look at the last 19 minutes of its run time. We can see where his revs were. Now, but there's a lot more than that. I can see here, he started the motor 1,297 times. And he's changed gears 3,675. And his maximum revs is 5,960. We also know that all of his motor specs when we ran it are perfect. We also know that all of the sensors are working and there's never been a code or a fault. So we've got a fair idea. And then what we do is we service the motor, we change anything, we go over the boat and we meticulously fix, repair anything that could be a problem. So when you buy a used boat off Yamaha, Brisbane Yamaha, it's perfect. Because to me, whether it's new or used, you're never going to have a problem if you buy from Brisbane Yamaha.